Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we would be understanding quality management and in that areas of quality management, where all the things it can be applied. These are all the various places from supplier point of view, system point of view, process and then product point of view. These are all the various places where we can easily have this quality management for the proper control of our QMS. First, we will understand the supplier point of view in what are all the minor levels where we can control to have a much better quality management systems from the supplier, parts and services point of view. At supplier introduction level means we need to go and operate our business with the right suppliers to start with, and right products needs to be given to them. We need to also control those things during the start of production and also during the safe launch. And finally, once all the things are done, we need to regularly monitor the performance of that particular supplier with respect to various aspects in the component performance parameters. From system level, we already understood that we would be understanding from vision, mission, policy and objectives. By having all these things, we can effectively control the quality management system through the procedures, various work instructions, audit systems and also with respect to the management reviews and so on. From process point of view, we can easily control the quality through proper validation of that particular process which is of interest, through the setup instructions and also through the in-process instructions. Some people also call it as patrol inspection. Through the process audits at some regular intervals, and we can also have error proofing for this particular process. So even if we want to do this, we should not be in a position to make any kind of error during processing. From the product point of view, we can of course have the product validation by putting a lot of additional stresses to have the right validated component in front of us. So finally, when it goes to the application area at any kind of conditions, we should not have a failure in this particular components. We need to have pre-dispatch inspection so that before we send this particular component out of our factory, we would be checking certain various things so that we are assuring that the quality of this particular component or surface is perfectly fine. Through the drawings, having the right standardization and also having the right application specifications. That means to say our customer is not going to abuse this particular product or the service whichever that we are going to give, and so that they will be not coming back to us in telling that this particular components were not okay or something like that. So to control all these things, we need to have the right application guidelines with respect to products or the services whatever that we are having in our scope. To conclude, we understood the quality management is a requirement at supplier, system, processes and also finally at products. That's it in the video. Thank you so much.